morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Outre Melted Hairline Elora wig. The color that I got is the red velvet, and I must say I really love the color. Another thing that I love about this wig is that it's an HD lace. The thing about the HD lace is that it literally melts into your scalp. Another thing that I love about this wig is that it reminds me of a 50s flapper style. Like, I love the waves and I'm really enjoying the look. As you can see here, the hair comes with some baby hairs. These baby hairs are fairly long, and it also comes with the hair already parted. So you guys, I've recently learned about T-part wigs, and this is one of them. So the part is literally in the shape of a T. The lace is not fully hand-tied lace. There are wefts on the sides of the lace, as you can see here, and the knots really are only on the edges and around the part. I've seen a lot of other T-part wigs, and to be honest with you, I was disappointed in them because around the hairline, literally very little hair is left out to pluck, which means that there's more weft than knots, and that means an unnatural hairline. But with this, it's different. There is more than enough hair left out at the hairline for you to pluck it so that you can have a natural hairline, and there is more than enough hair left around the part too, so there's enough plucking room at the part for the part to look natural. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first started looking at lace wigs, I thought that, you know, you take the hair out of the box and you wear it as is. After you cut the lace, you just plop it on your head, you wear it like that, and that's it. You know, you just wear it right out the box. But honestly, that is the wrong way to wear a wig. These wigs are meant to be customized. No more gray lace, okay? No more gray lace on your dark skin. You need to be putting some concealer on the part. You need to be putting some foundation on the lace. These parts and hairlines are meant to be plucked. That way it mimics a natural hairline. That way it mimics a black woman's hairline. This is how much hair I plucked out altogether, including the part, the left side of the head, the right side of the head, and the top part of the head. Next up, I'm just gonna move the hair out of the way. I'm just using some Got To Be Glued spray, a comb, and some clips to move it out of the way so that I can cut the lace. I just wanted to show you guys a simple trick. So let's say you don't have a foundation, right? you don't know your shade, you don't know what color matches you, all you gotta do is take 2 pieces of the lace from the wig and got to be glued onto your skin. Now I know that sounds weird, but this is what I mean. You're gonna take the got to be glue spray and literally glue it onto your hand. And once that's done, you're gonna take the foundation that you think matches you, like you're gonna take a couple of shades, right? And you're gonna compare them side by side on your hand. You're gonna see what I mean. Believe it or not, these are actually 2 different foundations, but they actually look very similar. So I had to choose between one of these, and honestly, it was a very close call. I'm not sure which one I chose, but both of them would have worked either way. But like I said, this method is great if you're not sure what foundation fits you. You could just match the color on your hand, because once you put it on your head, if it's too light or if it's too dark, it'll show. This is a great way to test out what colors do and do not work for you. So here I'm just using the color that I chose and I'm applying it below the lace. Basically, you guys, right here I'm just waiting for the glue to get tacky. When it gets tacky, it means that it's ready for me to stick the wig down. One thing that I have to say is that I love the She Is Bomb hair gel as one. One thing that I must say is that I love using the She Is Bomb glue as the hair glue, basically. It's not an actual glue, but it holds the hair down as if it is glue. I made a mistake right here when I applied the glue throughout the whole hairline, from left to right, right to left, or whatever I did. What I should have done was apply it to half my head first, let that dry, tack that down, and then do the other side, or breaking up it to 3 sections: the top of the head, the left side, and then the right side. I feel like the glue would have dried better that way. And you know what? I experimented another time and it did work better that way, and it did last longer. I apologize, but at the time that I shot this footage, my camera kept shutting off on me and wasn't working. So since then, I got it to get repaired and now it's fixed. This is basically the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Love you. Have a good day.